What's up, Friend Media friends? I hope you're all doing well today. So we've went through the static library. I've showed you all how to access that. I've shown you all how to access and utilize every single feature within the Friend Media dashboard. Now, before we actually go ahead and display our playlist on the TV, we want to take a look at it, right? We want to see that everything is in the correct order. We want to see that everything looks very nice and sleek and ready to be displayed. So in order to do that, we would just select which playlist we want to view. Just click on it and then hit this little eyeball icon right here. This allows you to preview the playlist. So this first playlist right here, we'll just scroll through that. The first video was the Botox video. Here's the little Twitter feed. Here's our Facebook feed. Here's our Instagram feed. Here's the video we uploaded directly from YouTube. This is the little hashtag feature that I was talking about. So if somebody were to tweet something with the hashtag FriendMedia, it would show up live right here. However, nobody has tweeted after I added that. Then we have the little landing page from the URL feature that I was talking about. Then here are the little before and afters. So the pictures should merge since if I remember correctly, yeah, we selected the animation. Yeah, and then it shows a little transformation in real time. And here is the Humaze MD before and afters as well. So the pictures should merge here as well and display the animation. But yeah, so everything looks good. Everything looks in working order. And we can also check out the playlist 2 right here. This one actually has the little ticker on the bottom. So we can go through this and see that the ticker is displaying the information. There should be displaying. There's me. Yep, everything looks good. Everything looks in working order. Here's the little weather forecast. Perfect. So if this is what we like, if this seems sleek, if this is ready to be displayed, we can go on ahead and move on to the next tutorial where I will show you all how to actually add this to your Friend Media devices. As always, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching.